another Chrysler POV. Oh yeah, back with another one. Y'all know what we doing, you feel me? It's another snowy day in the middle of goddamn February. But I mean, you know, we be pushing a Chrysler like it's a track hawk. It's all-wheel drive. It got the snow. It's good. It be alright. Sometimes we be spinning out though, and that should be fun as hell, bro. I be drifting and shit, you know what I'm saying? Need to get some videos. Fucking, spinning this shit. That shit would be fire. So, I ain't gonna lie, we might end up doing that today. I'm not too sure. But yeah, I mean, indeed, indubitably, it's another Chrysler POV. You feel me? How you guys doing today? You know, doing pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Whole bunch of snow.
Yeah.
Whole bunch of craziness. You know what I'm saying? Oh man. But, I mean, you know, as I said, all-wheel drive, I don't know what the fuck that truck is doing right there. Nigga's going slow as a bitch. In a goddamn fat-ass pickup truck. Like, that bitch is not pushing it, you know what I'm saying? Let me turn up the music real quick. Oh, shit, we got an ad. Fuck, guys. Forgot to play my SoundCloud subscription, guys. Make sure to watch all the ads, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment and do all that good stuff, you know, all that YouTuber stuff. Indeed, indubitably, you know what I'm saying? As the Logan Paulers, you know what I'm saying? We're a team, you know what I'm saying? We gotta build this. We gotta build up the Mavericks. You feel me, man? We gotta build up the Mavericks. Can't just build it up from nothing, Buster. So every single one of you is important, you feel me? I need you guys.
100 likes in with decal Maverick.
Yo, bro, I'll put a tiger on there. Nah, I'm putting, 100 likes, I'm putting Hello Kitty on my shit, bro. But, how was your guys' day today? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Nice, beautiful day. Beautiful weather outside. Roll down the window, let you guys. Yes. Beautiful weather. Beautiful weather outside. My favorite. Snowflakes getting in the Chrysler. Yeah. Yo, am I tweaking right now? Yo, bro, what is this?
What the
Bro, this nigga's walking on the highway. What the fuck? I feel like we gotta start doing videos just screaming at niggas, bro. Cause me and like we just have a trend going on in the group where we just roll down the window and just scream random shit at people. I feel like that might be some good content, you know what I mean? Low key though.
Oh, he's calling.
Straight V6 engine in the snow.